So we are here lining up for the Mikey Bustos I Wear Speedo concert in Westminster, Canada. It is pretty much his last pit stop for the Canada tour before he heads back home to the Philippines. If you don't know him, he's pretty much a successful YouTuber for the Ants Canada, which has over 1 million subscribers. He also has a Pinoy Boy and a vlog channel. So for the test, guys, I'm just gonna do a quick vlog video test with the iPhone X, shooting in 4K 60 frames per second in low light. And also I will be testing out the brand new 2018 ZOOM H1n voice recorder. I just got it not too long ago. So all the audio here when I'm actually talking will be coming from here. I'm just gonna try to mesh it up during the video and just listen to the audio, guys, and see how the audio is like. For the lavalier mic, I'm actually using the Aspen mics. And yeah, so let's check it out, guys, and see what this concert is all about. Mikey Bustos, again, welcome to Vancouver. I hope you are having a fantastic time here in Vancouver. I know it is quite short. After the show, you are pretty much leaving, going back to the Philippines. And yeah, thank you for coming by. And let's show some clips here, guys, with my iPhone X shooting in 4K 60 frames per second.
Our goal is to promote healthy eating among kids. So as of today, we already had more than 140 apple drives, and this project that we started in the Philippines is now being organized in countries in Africa and in developing countries in Asia. So we have locations and organizations in Ghana, Uganda, Kenya, Nigeria, Burundi, Tanzania, Zimbabwe. We have locations in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Cambodia, Indonesia. Yeah, developing countries in Asia and Africa. So to know more about the Apple Drive project, you can visit our website, theappledriveproject.com. Thank you.
Thank you, RJ. So guys, you can buy